Hello everyone, welcome to my UPSC. Today we are going to discuss UPHSC GK test first in for English medium aspirants. We have already started for Hindi medium aspirants, and as per the demand of some uh, English medium aspirants, we are starting this series. Hope you guys like these tests, and please give your support to like and subscribe the channel. Let's begin. The provisions relating to promissory notes have been incorporated in which among the following acts? So, first, what is this promissory notes? Promissory notes is a debt instrument that contains a written promise by one party, or we can say the notes issuer or maker. It is a one party to pay another party a definite sum of money either on demand or at a specific future date. This is promissory notes, debt instrument. It is also called a debt instrument. So which one is correct? Correct answer is Negotiable Instruments Act. This one is correct answer. There were two Narsimhan committees. Narsimhan committee first was formed in 1991 and Narsimhan committee second was formed in 1998. In this context, which among the following statement is correct? Question is asking which one is correct statement. Statement first. First Narsimhan committee was related to tax reforms and second Narsimhan committee was related to banking reforms. So this one is incorrect. First as well as second Narsimhan committee were related to tax reform. This one is also incorrect. First as well as second Narsimhan committee was related to banking reforms. This is correct statement. Both the Narsimhan committees are related to banking sector reforms. ये कंपनी विशेष to establish a multi-product special economic zone in Manipur. What is the minimum area requirement for this company to fulfill for getting approval for that SAGE? What is the SAGE? SAGE is special economic zone. स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन. सो मिनिमम जो रिक्वायरमेंट होगी एरिया वो क्या होगा अप्रूवल के लिए? जो मिनिमम होगा 200 हेक्टेयर का एरिया मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट होगा. डी इज करेक्ट आंसर. स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन के लिए नॉर्थ ईस्ट में जो है मल्टी प्रोडक्ट के लिए मिनिमम 200 हेक्टेयर एरिया रिक्वायरमेंट है किसी भी कंपनी के लिए. Who among the following in India can borrow using the facility of cash management bills? So, in India, only government can use the facility of cash management bills. Only government. In which year after independence notes in denominations of Rs 1000, Rs 5000 and Rs 10,000 were reintroduced in India? Question is asking after independence. So in 1954 notes in denominations of these Rs were reintroduced in India. What is the full form of LIBOR? The interest rate at which banks offer to lend funds in the interbank market. This is so full form of LIBOR is London Interbank Offered Rate. B is the correct answer. Lord Clement Attlee was Prime Minister of England at which of the following events? So, Clement Richard Attlee, the full name, was the leader of Labour Party from 1935 to 1955. He was the leader of Labour Party. He served as Prime Minister of the UK from 1945 to 1951. He was the Prime Minister of the UK during the time of India's independence. On Feb 20, 1947, Attlee declared the British would quit India before June 1948. So, correct answer is during the India's independence. He was the Prime Minister of England. Which among the following is not a work of Rabindranath Tagore? Which one is not a work of Rabindranath Tagore? The Gardener, Geetanjali, King of Dark Chamber. So all the above are work of Rabindranath Tagore. D is the correct answer. Which among the following date was passed by a resolution by Indian National Congress to observe every year as Purna Swaraj? एवरी ईयर, और ये रिजोल्यूशन पास किया आईएनसी ने. कब मनाएंगे एवरी ईयर पूर्ण स्वराज? ऑन जनवरी 26. एंड व्हेन दे पास्ड दिस रिजोल्यूशन, they passed this resolution under the presidency of JL Nehru during Lahore session और लाहौर सेशन कब हुआ? लाहौर सेशन इन 1929. So I hope you have cleared this resolution passed by INC in 1929 in the Lahore session under the presidency of JL Nehru, Jawaharlal Nehru, and on January 26 every year as Purna Swaraj Day. National Library of India is located at? Where is this National Library of India is located? National Library of India is located at Calcutta. So Kolkata is the right answer. This one. Pipavav in Gujarat is best known for which among the following? We have already discussed this question for Hindi medium practice tests, and this is an important question. So correct answer is it is best known for India's first private port. The man Nikhil Gandhi. Indira Gandhi Super Thermal Power Project is located in which state? Where is Indira Gandhi Super Thermal Power Project located? This one is located in Haryana. B is the correct answer. In the cultivation of which among the following horticulture crops Udayan Pandit Award is given for horticulture crops? उद्यान है ये उद्यान पंडित अवार्ड. उद्यान पंडित अवार्ड is given for the horticulture crop of apple. Consider the following statements. Both coffee and tea prefer slightly acidic soil. Both coffee and tea show winter dormancy. So this one is the correct answer. Consider the following 6 rivers of Indus system. 6 rivers of Indus system: Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Satluj, Vyas, Ravi. And the question is asking, as per the Indus Water Treaty, India has got rights for exclusive use of all of the waters of which of the above river and their tributaries before the point where the river enter in Pakistan. So India has got rights for exclusive use of the waters of Satluj, Byas and Ravi. This one is the correct answer. Consider the following: crop rotation, counter cultivation, buffer cropping. Which among the above are parts of the strip farming? So all these three are the parts of strip farming. If you guys support, as a like of the video, subscribe the channel, we will continue this series, and we will cover the whole syllabus of UPHESC assistant professor provided by the UPHESC. So your support is necessary. Apart from Karnataka, which among the following state has reported प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गोल्ड इन इंडिया? कर्नाटक के अलावा कहाँ पे होता है? और झारखंड. झारखंड इज द राइट आंसर. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग: उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान. चंबल रिवर फ्लोज थ्रू विच अमंग द अबव स्टेट्स? सो चंबल रिवर फ्लोज इन Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. It originates from the Madhya Pradesh and enter in Rajasthan through Jhalawad and Kota. Then it merge in Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh. So all these statements are correct one. Which of the following comparisons of LED lights and CFL lights are correct? The CFLs contain mercury, LEDs are free of mercury. This one is correct statement. CFLs emit more light per watt than the LEDs. No, this statement is incorrect, because LEDs are known for their performance and LED emit more light per watt than the CFLs. So this is incorrect. The CFLs are not temperature dependent, while LED performance largely depends on the ambient temperature of operating environment. This one is also correct one. LEDs depends on the temperature. So first and 3 are correct. How many states of India share its border with Bhutan? You have to be very clear about the physical and political map of India. Four states shares the border with Bhutan: Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, and Sikkim. Consider the following statements. Gujarat is the leading cotton growing state in the country. Maharashtra has the largest area under the cotton cultivation. Cotton productivity has been highest in Karnataka. So, which statements are correct? All these, all the three statements are correct one. D is the right answer. Who was the only viceroy of India to be murdered in office? Lord Mayo was the only viceroy of India to be murdered in office while visiting the convict settlement at Port Blair in the Andaman Island in 1872. For the purpose of inspection, he was assassinated by a Pathan convict. So, first one is the correct answer. In which of the following wars Robert Clive was one among the prisoners of war? During the First Carnatic War, a French attack on Madras led to surrender of the Britishers, and the British leadership was taken prisoner and sent to Pondicherry. However, Robert Clive was not among them. Clive, along with few others, were kept under weak guard in the for itself. Clive and few others slipped out of the court disguised as locals and made their way for Saint Fort Saint David, the British post at Cuddalore. So, during the First Carnatic War, if you have any suggestion, give your suggestion in the comment section, please. Which among the following rivers originate from the Amarkantak? Which river originates from Amarkantak? Where is Amarkantak? Amarkantak hills in Madhya Pradesh. So, Narabda river rises in the Amarkantak hills. And Tapi rise in the Satpura ranges. This Narabda is from Amarkantak, and Tapi rises in the Satpura ranges in the Bethel district of Madhya Pradesh. And where is Betwa rise? River Betwa is the tributary of Yamuna and it rises in Vindhyachal range. So this one is Vindhyachal range, this one is in Satpura range, and Narabda in Amarkantak range. Large deposits of natural uranium which promises to be one of the top 20 of world's reservoirs have been found in the Tumalapalle belt in which among the following states of India? So the Tumalapalle mine, this Tumalapalle belt or Tumalapalle mine is a uranium mine in Kadapa of the Andhra Pradesh state. This one is correct answer. Paradeep port is located on the delta of which among the following? Paradeep port is located at confluence of river Mahanadi in Bay of Bengal in Odisha. It was the first major port on eastern coast commissioned in independent India. Which among the following is the only tributary river of Ganga that rises in the plains and not in hills? Question is talking about tributary of Ganga which rise in plains, not hills. So answer is Gomti river. Asia's first underground hydel project is located in which state? Question is asking underground hydel project. It is located in Himachal Pradesh. Blatter Herbarium in India is located in St. Xavier College, Mumbai. Buddha Nulla has been the main source of pollution of which among the following rivers? ये बूढ़ा नाला है शायद. बूढ़ा नाला it is a seasonal water stream in the Malwa region of Punjab. It gets polluted after entering in industrial area of Ludhiana city and finally drains into Satluj river. And Satluj is tributary of Indus river. It is a major source of pollution of Satluj river. ये बूढ़ा नाला है, कुछ कोई वाटर स्ट्रीम है जिससे पोल्यूशन होता है. लुधियाना में फैक्ट्रीज काफ़ी हैं. डोडो और राफस कोकुलाटस, ये fightless bird which got extinct in the 17th century was endemic to which among the following countries? This is associated with, it is actually a extinct bird which cannot fly and was endemic to the island of Mauritius, which is located to the east of Madagascar in Indian Ocean. It is very close to the Nicobar region also. Recently, stock market regulator SEBI has imposed trade restriction on 331 firms which are suspected of being shell companies. Which of the following is not an actively generally carried out using shell companies? So the correct answer is I think A will be the correct answer, trade and normal business, because shell companies are created for unstated or hidden objectives of financial maneuvers and not for normal trade. सेल कंपनीज है करप्शन के लिए यूज क्रिएट की जाती है. Planning Commission of India was established by which among the following means? Planning Commission was set up by a cabinet resolution of the government of India in March 1950. So cabinet resolution is the correct answer. And who was the first chairman of Planning Commission? Planning Commission के पहले चेयरमैन कौन थे? ये जवाहरलाल नेहरू थे. जो फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे वो इसके फर्स्ट चेयरमैन भी थे. और जो अभी नीति आयोग है इसकी प्लानिंग कमीशन अब नहीं है, 2015 ये जनवरी 2015 से इसको रिप्लेस किया है बाय नीति आयोग. एंड हु इज द चेयरमैन ऑफ नीति आयोग? प्राइम मिनिस्टर इटसेल्फ. बट इन सम कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द प्लानिंग कमीशन और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द नीति आयोग. Which among the following is considered to be the main determinant of the level of activity is in national income term? It is realized investment. And do you know what is this realized investment? It is an investment resulting in a sale, transfer, or restructuring of a good and service. It is considered to be the main determinant of the level of activity in national income. Which among the following countries is currently the biggest supplier of crude oil in India? The biggest supplier is Saudi Arabia. Question is asking crude oil. The third largest oil importer in the world. Saudi Arabia is the top crude oil supplier to India and the third largest oil importer in the world. Earlier, Iraq was the largest oil supplier, but now Saudi Arabia is the top crude oil supplier to India. And why this question? Because there is a two major oil companies in Saudi Arabia in news. Which are these two oil companies? Saudi Aramco and Abu Dhabi National Oil Corporation. Abu Dhabi नेशनल ऑयल कॉरपोरेशन, ये सऊदी अरब में है। सबसे बड़ी ऑयल कंपनीज है सऊदी अरब की। ये न्यूज़ में आपको इस ध्यान में रखना है। इंटरेस्ट रेट पॉलिसी इज ए पार्ट ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? इंटरेस्ट रेट पॉलिसी इज ए टूल ऑफ मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी। At which of the following places green pamphlets was issued by Mahatma Gandhi? Green pamphlet was issued by Mahatma Gandhi in July 9, 1896 in Rajkot. He tried to expose the condition of Indian indentured laborers and human rights violation in South Africa. That's why he issued these green pamphlets. It was considered as an anti-government publication by the British. So C is the correct answer. Mahatma Gandhi raises the issue of laborers and human rights in South Africa. Who among the following had drafted the Declaration of Independence pledge in 1930? Mahatma Gandhi. Declaration of Independence pledge through the Congress passed the Purna Swaraj resolution in December 1920. It was a month later on January 26, 1930 when a pledge of Indian independence, also known as Declaration of Independence, was taken. So the Declaration of Independence pledge was drafted by Mahatma Gandhi in 1930, and it echoes the essence of American Declaration of Independence. After this, Hind Swaraj, a book of Mahatma Gandhi in 1909, was originally written in. This book was originally written in Gujarati. Hind Swaraj or Indian Home Rule. This one, Hind Swaraj or Indian Home Rule. It was written by Gandhiji in 1909 in his native language Gujarati while traveling from London to South Africa. And in the year 1910, this book was banned by the Britishers on the ground of sedition text. बाद में ब्रिटिशर्स ने इसको बैन कर दिया साल भर बाद. Which among the following apparently impressed Jahangir to issue a farman in 1613 AD to the English to establish a factory at Surat. So, the defeat of Portuguese naval squadron by the English impressed their Jahangir. So, correct answer is अंग्रेजों ने पुर्तगालियों को हरा दिया, वो जहांगीर को इम्प्रेस कर गया और उन्होंने सूरत में परमिशन दे दी फैक्ट्री की. Which among the following is not correct about V.D. Savarkar? So, question is asking incorrect. He is considered a central figure in the Hindu nationalist movement. This one is correct one. He supported and took part in Quit India struggle in 1942. This one is incorrect. He founded a revolutionary organization called Mitra Mela. This one is correct. He was one of those accused in the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. This one is also correct. Serving as the president of Hindu Mahasabha, Savarkar opposed the Quit India struggle in 1942. The Battle of Aliwal was fought between which of the following? Battle of Aliwal. This battle is fought between Britishers and Sikhs, English and Sikhs in 1846. In which year first round table conference on Kashmir was held in New Delhi? So it is the round table conference you heard in London, but the first round table conference on Kashmir was held in New Delhi under Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on 25th May 2006. 25th May 2006. So D is the correct answer. May 11, 1857 is known for which of the following incidents in Indian history? So this day is known for Indian combatant captured Delhi from the East India Company. This one is the correct answer. The Indian Rebellion of 1857 was also known as Sepoy Mutiny. 1857 की क्रांति. And on May 11, Christians and Europeans slaughtered in Delhi and Indian captured Delhi from the East India Company. In which year Treaty of Amritsar was signed between Ranjit Singh and East India Company? The Treaty of Amritsar, executed by the British East India Company and Raja Gulab Singh of Jammu after the First Anglo-Sikh War, established the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir under the suzerainty of British Indian Empire. The treaty was executed on March 1846. Under the treaty, Gulab Singh purchased Kashmir from East India Company for a payment of 75 lakh rupees. Was granted the title Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir. This marked beginning of Dogra rule in Kashmir also. So ये अंग्रेजों से 1809. The treaty was in Treaty of Amritsar in 1809. The first industrial revolution took place in. First industrial revolution was started in Europe and the United States. It was started in 18th century and ended in the middle of 19th century. The name of UTI Bank Limited was changed in 2007 as which of the following name? The UTI Bank Limited is known as Axis Bank. It is presently India's third largest private sector lender and its headquarters is in Mumbai. In which year Negotiable Instrument Act come into force? The Negotiable Instrument Act it was passed in 1881 and came into force from March 1st, 1882. Who among the following declared the first industrial policy in the post-independence period? The correct answer is S.P. Mukherjee, Shama Prasad Mukherjee in 1948. Which among the following correctly denotes capital adequacy ratio? What is this capital adequacy ratio? The capital adequacy ratio is tier first capital plus tier second capital divided by risk weight assets. This is known as CAR, capital adequate ratio. From the given options below, bring out the one which is not an instrument of monetary policy. So, this one is the instrument of monetary policy, and question is asking which is not the instrument of monetary policy. I think there is some typing error, and the correct answer is open market operations. C or D correct answer, but there is a typing error. For how many years the banks have been directed by the Reserve Bank of India to maintain records relating to suspicious transactions? The Reserve Bank of India directs for 10 years. Most initial public offering is done by the companies which are these are smaller younger companies which need capital to expand their business. These are most initial public offerings. In which year Indian Railway was nationalized? Indian Railway was nationalized in 1950. Consider the following. Minor irrigation scheme CCA less than 2000 hectares. Medium irrigation scheme CCA more than 2000 hectares but less than 10,000 hectares. Major irrigation scheme CCA more than 10,000 hectares. So, which is the correct statement? What is this CCA? CCA is culturable command area. Culturable command area. So, correct. All these statements are correct. This one is the right answer. Which of the following words is not included in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Not included. Which word is not included in the Constitution? Sanctity is not included in the Constitution. This one. We, the people of India, are having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens. ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में है. Sanctity is not mentioned there. Which among the following articles defines the money bill? Which article defines the money bill? Article 110. This one defines only those financial bills which contain provisions exclusively on matters listed in Article 110 of the Constitution are called money bills. So Article 110 is associated with money bills. In which among the following parts of Constitution of India are enshrined the fundamental duties? And fundamental duties are Part 4th A. And what is Part 4th? Part 4th is DPSP. And what is Part 3rd? Fundamental rights. And Part 2nd citizenship. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Which among the following is the basis of representation in Rajya Sabha for states? Basis for representation in Rajya Sabha. The only basis is population. As per 4th schedule of the Constitution, states are allocated to each state mainly on the basis of its population. ये जो 4th schedule है Constitution का उसमें लिखा हुआ है. In which year Constitution of India was amended for the first time? The Constitution of India was amended first time in 1951. It was the first amendment, had made several changes to the provisions related to fundamental rights to check abuse of freedom of speech and expression. Validation of Jamindari Abolition Law. These changes were made in First Amendment Act. In which year Sikkim was included in North-Eastern Council? The North-Eastern Council was set up in 1971 to deal with the problems of the 7 Northeast states of India. It was set up under the legislation of North-Eastern Council Act 1972. And the state of Sikkim has also been included in the North-Eastern Council on December 2002. 23rd December 2002. So the correct answer is 2002. Which of the following presidents of India headed the Indian Society of Labour Economics founded in 1957? The Indian Society of Labour Economics was founded in 1957 by distinguished groups of academicians and public men engaged in promoting the study of labor and industrial relations. The group was headed by the ex-president of India, Sri V.V. Giri. So this one is the correct answer. The 8th schedule of Constitution of India originally had how many languages? Originally there was 14, but later added and bring total to 22 scheduled language. Originally it had 14 language. Who among the following is appointed as the returning officer in president elections? President's elections, the returning officer is Lok Sabha Secretary General. The Secretary General of Lok Sabha or Lok Sabha Secretary General is returning officer in president election. Which of the following is an ex situ mode of wildlife conservation? So the home gardens, scared groves, national parks and other protected area, biosphere reserves etc. are in situ mode of wildlife conservation. Which among the following fertilizers is least likely to affect soil pH and which affects least the murates of potash? Who is known as father of Indian unrest? ये this one is the correct answer, Tilak. Who called Valentine Chirol called him father of Indian unrest? Because Bal Gangadhar Tilak was the first person to demand complete Swaraj. Then the Britisher Valentine Chirol called him father of Indian unrest. The resolution of Swadeshi was adopted in which session of Congress? So the Calcutta session of 1906. The Swadeshi adopted in this resolution. The play Neel Darpan is associated with which among the following revolts? Neel Darpan. And the Neel Darpan is associated with Indigo revolts. Actually, Neel Darpan was a Bengali play written by Deenbandhu Mitra in 1858 to 1859, and the play was essential to Nil Bidra or Indigo revolt of February 1859 in Bengal, when farmers refused to sow indigo in their field as a protest against exploitative farming under the British Raj. That's why the correct answer is Indigo revolt. Which among the following were the consequences of the Third Battle of Panipat? Decentralization of Maratha power. This one is correct. Consolidation of East India Company North Western India. This one is not correct. Attack of Nadir Shah. This one is also incorrect. Because consolidation of East India Company is not correct, because the Third Battle of Panipat gave opportunity to East India Company to establish a consolidate their rule in Bihar and Bengal only. And the third statement is also incorrect, because attack of Nadir Shah predates Third Battle of Panipat. Which among the following is the year of famous Queen Victoria's proclamation assuming the government of India? It is November 1st, 1858. Lord Canning sent forth the royal proclamation in a grand darbar at Allahabad, via which Queen Victoria intimated that she had assumed the direct government of India. So 1858, November 1st. Consider the following states. The correct order of increasing area of the above states is shown by which among the following? So, area wise correct order. Manipur 22,327. Meghalaya is 22,429 and Mizoram is 2181 21,081 and Tripura is 10,492. So the correct order will be first, second, third, fourth. Increasing area correct mean होगा first one increasing, so this one Tripura, then Mizoram, then Meghalaya, then Manipur. With reference to various types of soils, consider the following statement about histosols. Histosols, they have abundance of organic matter and rich in plant nutrition. This one is incorrect. They are acidic in nature. This one is correct. So only second is correct one. Histosols, peat or muck is also known as organosol and they have very high variety of organic matters. But they are acidic nature but poor in plant nutrition. Which of the following president of India was only person to be elected unopposed? Sixth president of India, sixth one. And who was the sixth one? Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy was the only person to be elected unopposed. Loin-tailed macaque is found in this space. The loin-tailed macaque or the wanderu is an old world monkey endemic to the western Ghats of southern India. It is rarest and most threatened primates. So that's it. In next test, we will cover your whole syllabus including current affairs, education, ICT, information and communication technology. We will cover whole syllabus. If you subscribe the channel, we will continue it. Thank you very much. All the very best. If you want to join the test series link will be provided in the description of this test. You can join the test series. If you subscribe the channel, you will get the PDF of this test. Good luck.